over to Brad Lawler with Home Team Inspection. Arnold is wondering about selling his house this year. In this email, he's asking what repair should he make before putting his home on the market? This is a great question, Brad.
Yeah, I think that one of the things he needs is probably a full evaluation of the home, depending on how long he's been there, depending on the type of maintenance he's done. Every homeowner does a little bit. Some are very, very particular about their homes and have regular, contractors through, making sure everything's up to date. If you haven't done any work like that in the last 5 years, then it might be best to just, it's self-serving here, but have a home inspector come through, do an evaluation on the home, do a pre-listing so that you can identify those big things that need to be fixed. At minimum, I'd start with the HVAC service, make sure that we should be servicing those systems twice a year. So I would start with your HVAC. I would definitely have your roof checked. And if you've experienced any sort of leaks in your basement, any water coming into your house, you want to attend to any of those. That would be, I think, the very minimums before you list. I mean, there's a lot of exterior things. I know the curb appeal is a big thing, but exterior painting, exterior maintenance is often overlooked. I might, want to do those even before I would look at listing a home.